Um, okay, thank you. No, please stop. Thank you. I just picked up a new stream deck that I'm playing with a little bit. So I will give a review of that later and how I use that for Zoom meetings. But um I picked up a Sony ZV-1 last week. It was I picked it up literally on Amazon for my ZV-1. I'm gonna switch to OBS camera right here. OBS virtual camera. Look at that's no, I picked up the what did I pick up? Oh, the ZV-1. The ZV-1. That's right. I picked up a used ZV-1 Sony last week, and I'm in love with the camera. I'm absolutely in love with it. I'm gonna move my camera around a little bit. It did take a lot of horsepower to get going for me. I'm using the Elgato Camlink 4K card for my audio interface. Out of the box, the ZV-1 does play 720p for streaming and or Zoom meetings. Really, that's what I'm using it for. I work for Zoom. I'm a distinguished architect for Zoom. I'm not a spokesman for Zoom or anything. I'm not a figurehead for Zoom. I just like to talk about cool technology. A lot of times that has to deal with Zoom. And today is no unlike any other day. I'm talking about Zoom, but with some hardware. If you're in Zoom calls all day long, like I am, even if you're not in Zoom calls all day long, like I am, two of the most important things you can do to increase the level of quality of your videos is one, have a good camera. Two, have great lighting. I haven't talked about lighting, and I'll talk about that maybe later this week. But I picked up the ZV-1, upgraded it to 1080p. I could go all the way to 4K, but there's really no need. I don't stream in 4K. I'm not a gamer in 4K. I don't do a lot of videos other than these YouTube and LinkedIn videos, as well as do videos all day long for work. So 1080p is the highest I needed to go. And honestly, I can't tell the difference at this screen size between 1080p and 4K. So I wanted the best 1080p camera I could find for the money, right? For the money. And I actually got the ZV-1 used for $550. I think brand new at 700. But I got it used on Amazon for refurbed for $550. Best money I've spent in a long time. But then I got to playing around with my GoPro Hero 5. I've had this for several years, and I'm going to turn it on right here. That just turned off. Of course, it just turned off. And the GoPro Hero 5, also a 1080p camera. I can use that as part of my camera as well if I really wanted to. So I have a used one. I've had it for probably 5 years. It looks like new. It's 534, which is fine. And I hooked it up. I'm using a cheaper version of the Camlink 4K. I just picked up a video interface off of Amazon for like $18. So it's not a complete apples to apples comparison, because I am using the Sony SV-1 with the Camlink 4K, and I'm using the GoPro with just a cheaper version of it. So here's what it looks like. Here's the SV-1, absolutely amazing picture, crisp and clear. Here's the GoPro. Here's the GoPro right here. It's still good. It's still really good. It's not SV-1 level good, but honestly, I don't think the GoPro was designed to do Zoom meetings. But I just wanted to show you how you could be adaptable. Should you have a GoPro, any kind, really, you can make that a really good webcam for your Zoom meetings. This is running 1080p right here as well, 1080p with 60 frames per second, just like the SV-1. Not bad. It's a little darker, the exact same lighting. Literally, the cameras are literally lined up right next to each other on top of my monitor, and not bad. I don't mind the picture at all. It's pretty clear. It's pretty crisp. It's no ZV-1 though. The ZV-1 camera is wow. I can't say enough good things about it. But anyway, sometimes I wanted to have two cameras in case, just because I used Prezi camera too. That was the camera you saw with the graphics on it. That's part of what I use a lot of. I present with Prezi in my day-to-day activities as well. And I can use the ZV-1 inside of Prezi and then overlay graphics on top of it. Quick video on the SV-1 versus versus the GoPro. Just know that you can use your GoPro for your next Zoom camera. All right. Have a good day.